Welcome to this video on communication in libraries and information centers. We will explore the vital role that effective communication plays in managing information resources and services. Communication, derived from the Latin communis meaning shared understanding, is essential in libraries. It is a key managerial function that helps librarians interact with staff, users, and external organizations to ensure efficient service delivery. In a library context, communication involves sharing information, ideas, and feedback. This interaction spans between librarians and users, staff and administration, external organizations, and other information centers. Communication is vital for effective library management, as it helps convey policies to staff. It also improves user services by aligning resources with their needs and ensures better coordination across departments like cataloging and circulation. Furthermore, communication is key to promoting library services, such as new books, digital resources, and workshops. It also facilitates a feedback loop, allowing users to share suggestions for service improvement. There are two primary types of communication: formal and informal. Formal communication follows the organizational structure, using reports and meetings to ensure discipline. Informal communication, however, relies on personal interactions and casual conversations. Communication can also be categorized by medium: oral, which allows for quick feedback; written, which provides an accurate permanent record; and digital, which helps libraries reach users efficiently through social media and websites. The communication process is continuous, involving a sender, message, encoding, channel, receiver, decoding, and feedback, all while managing potential noise that could disrupt the message. Communication channels include formal and informal routes. However, barriers can arise, such as semantic issues with language, psychological factors like distrust, organizational constraints, or physical disruptions. Successful librarians possess key skills, including listening, observation, empathy, clarity, and flexibility. Additionally, modern IT solutions continue to evolve how these interactions occur in library settings. In conclusion, communication is an essential function that strengthens organizational efficiency and improves user satisfaction. Developing these systems and skills is crucial for the future of modern library management. Thank you for watching. This video was created using the image sources listed here.